Hello everyone, this is a next stage to my well, robot arm, whatever you want to call it. I've added the turret on it now, so the turret will do this spinning around. So if I sort of move it to round about here, you can see that it now rotates. I've also added some stops for this. Stations, shall I say, for these two sections. So, like I say, if I bring this one down now, it'll work like it should. I've added some homing buttons on the thing. You shouldn't need to use these set home now because it should do it automatically when it passes the station I put on the motor, the harmonic drives. So if we just press home there, and do the same with this one, it now sets itself to home. So tell you what, well, if I turn it, no, I was going to turn it this way around. So that a bit more there, so it looks like what it is on the picture there. So if I go that way, it goes that way, and if oh, I can't go, well, I can only go to there unless I move this one back. Oh yeah, I'll move that down. It looks a bit different. Let's just turn it around a bit more. There we go. We can bring this one down here. A bit more, you can see it now. Yeah. I've still got this to make it, a little grabber, so once I've made a grabber we can start making it do some things. So if I just put that up, well, move it around to there. There we go. It's far better than it was before. Let's just well, I should be able to just home that one. That's that one, and do the same with this one, and same with that one. What I'll do is I'll spin it around the other way. And let's just move it back. It'll look opposite now because we're facing the other way now. So, and let's bring that into view. And move that. Oh, actually, I can't. Hang on. Let's just slide that along. There we go. Let's bring that down. Now my next project, well, can I show you these? Let's see. Yeah, down it. Oh, let's just get that up. That. There we go, and then bring it over. Anyways, you get the idea. Well, let's just slide that along. Let's just home that. So it's in that direction. Right, down at the bottom here where all the motors are, let's just rotate my camera down a bit. Bear with me. There we go. There, you can see the two drivers I've got. And down here. See if I can get my hand in the way. Oh, hang about. Oh, I don't know if this will work. Oh, did I install it? No, I didn't. Did I? Hang about. No. Oh, I thought I'd installed. I did some the other day. Where is it? Oh, hang about. Right. I might have done it. Right. Yeah. I did this little application. Right. So I got my pixel rule. That's for something else. But hang on. There, big pointer. There we go. Look. Yeah, big pointer. Right. Can you see these? I hope you like this. Yeah. These you can see down here. Look, these two motor drivers. Right. So. Yeah. I just did that bit for fun, like, yeah. So what we got is two of these. There's two of these. I went wrong way up. There's two of these up there, down there, like, and each one controls two motors. Now I've made a version 2 now. Hopefully, what I've got. There we go. Put it in front of my finger. There we go. I've got a version 2, which I haven't made one yet. What I've done is, well, what I found was, when I was controlling this, let's get rid of that. Yeah, when I was controlling this, these they work great. They're fantastic. I think they are anyway. But the trouble is, there's only one microcontroller and it's controlling two motors. And what I have done is, when you're using positional control, you know, using the quadratic encoder to position one of the arms, it works fine when there's only one encoder working. If one board has both motors running, it can't keep track of both encoders, so you've got to just use one motor on a board at a time. You can use two boards at the same time, because then you've got two microcontrollers. But what I found is, when I did the wiring, I wired all the encoders on the same interrupt, or the same port on the microcontroller. And so what I've done is I made a version 2, and I'm going to try it, and I'll let you know how it goes. But my version 2, what I've done is I've separated the encoders onto two separate ports, so that you've got basically two lots of interrupts working independent of each other, rather than trying to count everything on the same port. So anyways, but they're fine, they work great if you're just using one at a time, like I say. But what I'm going to try and do is, like, if I was to sort of centre this one and centre that one, that's fine, because they're on two separate boards. But if I try to centre this one and that one at the same time, no, sorry, this one, if I did this one and I was to move this one at the same time, then there would be an error, because these two arms are on the same board. So these two at the moment can't be used at the same time, whereas this one and this one can be used at the same time. So if I went like that, oh well, I don't know what I pressed then. Anyways, I probably messed it all up. Anyway, that's my stage at the moment. So let's do another twirl. Bring that down. Oh, hang on, stop that. I nearly messed up there. This is actually on the same board as this one. So yeah, let's. That'll have to go past its encoder again now. Yeah, let me home this one. Oh well. No, I want to go that way. Yeah, you see that's the only issue. I want to mess things up. There we go. Set that as well. Yeah, so let's just bring that down so I can see it. Yeah. Hey, what? That wasn't supposed to do that. Oh dear, I've totally messed it up there by trying to show you the issue, and I've shown you the issue anyway, so let's just hope that. Shit. Oh dear. Alright, I'm going to end it there, guys. I've still got some work to do. Okay.